Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your device model and OS version so you use the correct method. Once done, make sure to back up any existing quick settings or home configuration to restore later. Next, enable developer options or the required permissions that let you modify system UI tiles. This unlocks the only way to alter the notification panel structure. Now tap Settings and proceed to the System or Developer section to begin the actionable changes. You now access the System UI Tuner or the tile editor exposed by Developer Tools. This is where the actual panel layout changes happen. Once inside, drag tiles to reorder, remove unwanted items, and add new quick settings from the available list. Do this thoughtfully so common actions are one swipe away. If supported, make certain tiles persistent or prioritized so they remain visible. Take time to test swipe gestures and open the panel to confirm the new arrangement. Finish by applying your changes and then rebooting or restarting the system UI process to ensure the new notification panel persists. If tiles disappear or the panel behaves oddly, reset to defaults and reapply your configuration step by step to isolate the issue. Make sure you've granted any required permissions and review system logs or developer output for errors. If problems continue, restore your backup and retry with smaller changes to pinpoint what caused the failure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.